All right, we're back. If you've been watching my vlogs for the last few weeks, then you know what we're doing in here. Time for a workout. I'm not gonna film it this time, but I did want to show you guys what I got because I just got some weights the other day. Don't judge them. Oh my God, it's so dark. I hope you guys can see this because the lighting is not that good. Oh, there we go. Okay, so got some prison weights. Just kidding. Literally weights are sold out everywhere right now, and so I asked my friends if they had any old weights laying around, and one of my friends, Justin, had like a pile of old weights in his backyard. They're a little dirty, a little rusty, but they're still efficient and will work perfect for a weight. So I just took a couple from him. I took this dumbbell, which is heavier than the ones I have because those are only like 7 pounds each. So I took this one, and then I took this plate, and I'll figure out some workouts that I can do with these for now. I don't want to take too many because I'm still like learning, but I definitely want to start lifting heavier. So I just got some heavier weights to experiment with. Hopefully I don't hurt myself. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys my weights. I got these. My mom has a really good sense of humor, so does Justin. So my mom told me, she's like, ask Justin if those are from the Civil War. Because they're so old and they're like all rusty because they've been outside. But hey, I'm not complaining. Beggars can't be choosers. I gave him a little bit of cash for these, and I'm so thankful that he had these because I was gonna just get like a kettlebell or like some heavier weights from Target, and Target was completely sold out, and people are selling weights on Craigslist and OfferUp for like freaking $900, just like crazy. So very thankful for those. I also got myself some little gloves so I can hold those without them hurting my hands because they're heavy and rusty. So I got myself some weights, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm so dorky. But yeah, we're gonna get a workout in right now. And this sports bra, I know I just talked about this, but the sports bra is from Target and I love it so much. It was like 20 bucks. I love the color. Wish the lighting was better in here. But I'm definitely gonna be getting more of these because they're like super comfy and like really good quality. Wow, the lighting sucks so bad. I'm so sorry. But yeah, Target, 20 bucks. Great sports bra. Oh my God, I have makeup on. Who is she? Just a little bit. At least I don't look as bad as I did in my last vlog and the vlog before that and the vlog before that. You guys, I have not done my makeup like at all lately, and I miss looking good. I really do. So I put a little bit of makeup on because I felt like it. Anyways, this is me currently. I'm living life in a bikini lately because the weather is amazing, and I honestly, the only thing I want to do lately is just lay in the sun. That's like all I want to do. Today was kind of a rough day for me and Zoe. We're just so tired of being stuck in the house, but working out is paying off, as you can see, so I'm glad. I'm gonna come out of this summertime ready, bikini ready. I have a tan going on, so I'm also glad about that because that makes me happy. And right now, I am getting ready to turn the flame down because it's a little high. Oh God. So I am cooking up some frozen chicken because probably don't cook in a bikini when you're frying chicken because it definitely hurts. Oh my God, I do not recommend cooking, frying anything in oil while you're wearing minimal clothing because that definitely hurt a little bit. But anyways, I am gonna cook some chicken because I am making tortilla soup. And I'll link the recipe that I used down below in the description box in case you are interested, because it's literally the best creamy tortilla soup recipe that I have ever made, eaten, tried, had, whatever. So if you like tortilla soup and you like to cook, or you know, your girlfriend or your wife or your boyfriend or your mom or your dad or whoever cooks, seriously, try this recipe. It's so amazing. Thank me later. Oh, and before anybody asks me, this bathing suit is from H&M. The top's from H&M, the bottom's from H&M. I think I got both of these on clearance and they were like $3 each, like honestly. And look at the back, like I love how tiny the H&M bikinis are. I usually wear mine like kind of like that just because I like small tan lines, but yeah, this is from H&M and they make some of my favorite bikinis and they're honestly like super affordable. So if you're looking for cute bikinis for a decent price, definitely check out H&M. And this is not sponsored, but H&M, if you want to sponsor me, email me. Okay, this is a really bad angle because there's a freaking steering wheel in the way, but me and Zoe are going to Target right now, and before we go in, I'm gonna put on my mask because I'm following the rules like a good girl. My mask is reusable and adjustable. I'm so bummed though because I just did my makeup today because I'm so tired of being ugly, and now my makeup's gonna be all messed up because I have to wear a stupid mask because coronavirus is still here. Go away, coronavirus. Nobody likes you. Ooh, that's a little too tight. Do we like my mask? Oh my god, my makeup's gonna be all messed up. It's hot in here, I'm gonna be sweating. Ugh, mine's so big, I can't even see. Do you have a mask on, Zoe? It's 80 degrees, this is not mask weather. Oh my god, I'm already dying. Here, give me one of the other masks. Can I have another mask? This one's too heavy duty for me right now. It's hot, I'm like suffocating. I feel like someone's suffocating me at that stupid thing. I can't believe, thank you. Look at, now I have a different one. This is, these are my old masks that I had from, masks. These are from when I was microblading. I was doing tattoos, so I was working with people's blood, you know? And, well, I wasn't doing tattoos, I was tattooing eyebrows. Permanent makeup, if you wanna get technical. These ones are better. The other one's like a homemade like sewn mask with material. This is like an actual like mask for like health, bloodborne pathogen type thing. So this one's more breathable. So I have these before anyone comes for me, like, why do you have those masks? I have these because of when I was microblading, I had to wear a mask obviously because there was blood and open wounds and stuff like that. So we're gonna go in Target and we're gonna do some essential shopping, maybe some non-essential shopping too, because I kind of want to get some things from Target, but don't come for me. Oh my god, who is she? She has makeup on. Wow, I was tired of being ugly and looking like I'm in prison, even though I pretty much am in freaking prison. I'm so over this quarantine crap, but I'm so tired of not being a bad bitch anymore, so I decided to do my hair and makeup, and this is what I look like. That mask that I was wearing kind of messed up my makeup and my lipstick a little bit, but that's okay because I'm still a bad bitch, okay? And I never straighten my hair anymore. The reason I don't straighten my hair anymore is because it's so damaging, like especially if you have bleached hair. Like the flat iron is the devil, seriously, it's so bad for your hair. And in the past, when I was younger, I used to flat iron my hair every single day and my hair was fried, okay? So if your hair is bleached and you use a flat iron and it's fried and you can't figure it out, it's because your hair is bleached and you use a flat iron. Just letting you know. But anyways, because it's so damaging, I never straighten my hair anymore, but I decided to make an exception today because it's just been so long. So that's what I look like today. Finally, I look a little decent. I don't look too ratchet today. We're moving up. We're back out here in the back. Just filled up the pool. Oh no, I just stepped on a snail. I'm so sad. Oh no. I didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Buzzkill, I just stepped on a snail. So sad. Anyways, we're in the backyard again today. Let me show you my deal. This is my setup right here. I really need a different chair. I need like a chair that I can like lay in, you know, like a beach chair. This one's too upright, so it's hard to get a tan. I'm gonna have some pasta and some water right now. I'm gonna live my best life and have some carbs. Looks kind of gross, but it's good. Wow, I'm really sad about that snail. Anyways, I'm just up here chilling out here. I was just sitting in my chair. It's kind of hard to get a tan. Seem like I'm not sitting upright. So my belly folds when I'm sitting this way because I'm like slouching, and I get a weird tan because of that, because my fat roll. Like a fat roll tan. It's not very cool, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here and have some mushroom chicken pasta and continue my tan and enjoying the weather. This is the only thing that I'm interested in doing lately, is like sitting in the sun and enjoying the beautiful weather, because it's been so beautiful in Orange County lately. So that's what I'm gonna do.